Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the detour function in the IGO Navigation application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right, and then scroll down and click on the settings button, and then click on the traffic button, and here look for the offer detour if it saves at least button. So here you can set how many minutes you want this function to have. So you can set it to always up to 60 minutes. So just scroll back and forth and set the one that you want to use. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.